Sampurasun, wilujeng enjing. Hello friends, here are the words you have to practice to pronounce in bahasa Sunda. Okay? The first word is sampean. Repeat again, sampean. The second one, pipi. Pipi. The third, lambe. Lambe. And the fourth is eut. Eut. And the last word is pangambung. Pangambung. Okay friends, good luck. Practice well at home, and you may record your voice or you make a video to submit your work to Google Classroom. I will wait it. Bye bye.